Oh, hey.
What? Bruh.
Yeah.
What?
What the? Oh, man!
The fuck? What?
Oh, he's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Here's a 20.
Hey, do you mind if I put a poster in your window? It's for my mom. She's missing.
Oh, gosh. Go ahead.
So, you mean love multiplies?
No, it divides, but I'll take the difference from your dad's portion and hope our marriage survives until you go to college.
What?
Wait, what?
Richard, why is the engine compartment full of marshmallows?
Nicole, I think you mean the front trunk.